Hi guys, this is Steffanie. Welcome to Designs by Steffanie. For those of you who are here for the very first time, welcome. And for those of you who are returning, welcome back. If you have not subscribed to my channel already, I would love to have you as part of the DBS family. Just click on that subscribe button below, as well as the notification bell beside that, so that you won't miss any of my videos in the near future. Today I have for you another wig review unboxing. It is this unit here. This is a new Born Free Cutie Collection Wig. It is in the style Cutie Collection 19. It is in the color PF1B 30-270. So this is what we have here. So if you're interested in seeing the unboxing of this unit, then stick around and stay tuned. Okay guys, let's start the unboxing. But first, if you like this unit that I have on here, then click right up here in this box. There's a little eye up there. If you hovered over in that corner, you can click on it. It will link you to the review of this unit. This is the Taco unit. So let's get to the unboxing. And it has the washing instructions on the tag on one side. That's about it. Just have the product information. Let's turn it over and see what it looks like in the inside. They put their name on the top of the cap so you know that it was them. It has, I won't say this is hard. It feels like it has a little bit of covering over top of the wig cap. I felt much harder than this. It's not the softest I felt, but it's really not as hard as I felt either. So I don't think it will be as rough on your hairline or your edges as some of them. It does have little opening mesh on each side of the unit below the crown. The back of it, where it's sewn, it's on a stretchy cap. It has the two adjustable straps on each side, and it has very small ear tabs on each side of the unit, so they're not that deep. And that is it. It does not come with any combs in this unit. The top of the crown is pretty much sewn into a circle. So that's what you get for that. And then the back is not that long. So if you are interested in seeing the try on of this unit, then stick around and stay tuned. I have my hair twisted up, so it's not going to be flat, but I have these in the same little slot, so they're not side by side. They're actually in the same one, because this wig cap seemed like it may run a little big and not be tight on my head. So let's do the trial. And yep, it's not real tight, so I would say that this unit is big head friendly. Not liking the look on this wig so far. Anyway, this is what you're getting straight out of the pack. I don't know what the picture looks like. It doesn't have a picture on it, so I couldn't remember. I think it was one of these wigs they had real cheap for the hair sale. So I list all of the information about the unit below. I guess it's just a regular old cut. Nothing special about this unit. Just looks like a regular short hairstyle for those that like to wear their hair this way. Okay, it doesn't look too bad. Let's look at the back. So the swoop of the bangs goes to the left. You might can put them either way. I haven't tried that. And then this mop like division kind of like part is here on the right side of the unit. I can already see my gray, so I know I'm not covering my hairline. And there's no combs, so I would recommend, if you like combs, to either sew some in there, or you're going to have to use bobby pins. But let's check out the back. That is the back of the unit. The cut doesn't look too bad on it. However, like I said, the neckline doesn't come down long. I have a long neckline. My hairline grows down far on my neck. So, and you can see it, my hair on both sides. So if you have that issue, you'll have that with this unit as well, because it doesn't cover down that far or come over forward. But outside of that, for the price of this unit, like I said, I listed all below, but I didn't pay, how much did I pay for this unit? $6.99. So it's not bad for $6.99 if you just want a basic generic short haircut. It's not anything fancy, but it'll do, especially you know, you're going on an interview or something and you just want basic hair, it's not a bad unit for the price. It does not look too wiggy or too shiny. Actually, the color distribution on it is pretty decent, and the cut on it is pretty decent. You will probably, of course, as always, have to cut around your ears because everybody's ear placement is different. I just took. Sometimes I cut it, sometimes I don't, just depending on the mood I'm in that day. But the bangs are fairly long. I think they come up pretty good. And you can wear them straight down. I mean, it's up to you. This look like the old Neil Long hairstyle long time ago, like from Boys in the Hood. So that's what you get from this. Just a basic shortcut. You can lift it a little bit. It says, let's see about curling iron, if it's curling iron safe or not. It doesn't say, and when it doesn't say, I would say do not. It doesn't say anything about heat. Feel that? Well, it's just got washing instructions going here and nothing about heat instructions. So I would say stay away from the heat since it doesn't say, but set your own risk. I actually never curl anything that's not human hair just because I just don't want to take those chances of it might burn, catch on fire or what have you, or melt on my irons or flat irons. So anyway, that is it, guys. I hope that you liked the review. Please thumbs up if you like these reviews and unboxings, especially the short hair units, because that's mostly what I do, and a lot of people don't do short hair on YouTube, so that's primarily my focus on this channel. I do some long hairs every now and then. I think I got a few of them in my arsenal for review coming up, so stay tuned for that if you're looking forward to a long hair one. And yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and share, and subscribe if you have not already. And yeah, thank you guys for stopping by, and I look forward to seeing you all in my very next video. Bye bye.